So we've got some more decorations for the house. Oh, this is so we got our first bulbs, like flower bulbs and things like that. Oh, we've got a lamp. That's nice. Okay, this is gonna get already getting homey. Then we've got another IKEA lamp. Put that right there by the beers. And then these things, like these are Marzahn Knödel. Oh, there you go. You can see it right there. Fatball. That's for the birds. Fatball for fat little birds. Okay, those are our fat balls. And my, are they stinky. It doesn't have like a hook or anything. Let's go find a place for a fat ball. Okay. Fat ball. A tree, I guess. Wonder if there's a previous fat ball for the tree. That one. I don't see any. Huh. I guess I could try to stick it on a branch. Is that how that works? Let's try this. Oh yeah, there you go. No. This one? No. No. Oh, there we go. How about that? There we go. All right. Okay. So that is, there we go. Our first fat ball right there.